Hi friendrinos, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new, after this video, maybe check out some of my other ones and maybe subscribe if you enjoyed them. And so anyway, today I'm going to be doing a sketchbook tour of Sketchbook 3. I actually am really close to finishing Sketchbook 4, which I decorated the cover of here. That tour will be coming in 2 weeks maybe? Maybe. We'll see. But yeah, so let's get into it. So this sketchbook has a ton of improvement, I think. Though Sketchbook 4 probably has more. Didn't want to leak any personal details. So here I did the cover page and myself kind of as a princess. Back when I had long hair and did these little buns in my hair. And yeah, so it took me from March 15th to May 21st, approximately, to finish this sketchbook, which I think is pretty good. But Sketchbook 4, I'm almost done with. I started it on May 22nd, so this one took me 2 months, I think, give or take. And this one took me like 1. I'm getting speedy. So on this page, I just traced over that one to do more practice, I guess. And then this one I drew this girl with basically this hair was inspired by Sim's custom content with these little beads and ponytails. Yeah, my old style is so much different to my new one. My new one is cartoony realism in a way. I don't know, it's getting there. I'm adjusting it every day. And traced over it again. And this one I was really proud of because the legs are doing something. Now I'm doing more intricate poses, but this one for that time I was just drawing people standing. So this was whoa, big difference. So yeah, I also gave her little blushes. I think this was with my Tombos. If I could find them, I'd show you, but seems they've gone missing. Oh no. Yeah. So that's them. I think I used Tombos for this whole piece except the hair and skin, I think. Yeah. This oh dear. I forgot to color the hand. Oh no. So she was inspired by Fanta because I watched Lavender Town's drawing things as cute girls. I'm like, oh, Fanta. I mean, I did these little wrinkles, which I guess could be good, but I mean, it's decent, but not great. Oh, here was my entry for Doodle for Google. I did this one really late, literally I finished it the same day as the extended date, because I was up till 12 on the regular date, and then I didn't submit it right, so it wouldn't take. But then it opened back up the next day. I don't know why they just did. I was like, thank you! I obviously didn't win, but this was really cool. And fun to do. Now we have a little bean girl. She's kind of an OC. I haven't drawn her in a while, but she's fun. So yeah, I really like this character. I think she's really fun. Now we have Moo, who is one of my most in-depth OCs. As you can see, I wrote quite a bit about her. So basically she's a granddaughter of Moose. I read all of this in one of my videos. I'll try to link it in the iCard if I remember. Yeah, so here we have another girl. I think I was trying to get better at anatomy. Whoa. Yikes. The legs are kind of short. I'm just looking at all the bad things with my art. Oh dear. So here's another one. This, I think I was using the stick figure with circles technique, and that's why there's circlies. I was really proud of the shoes on this one. Here I was doing some figure studies, I think. Haven't done those in a while, probably should. And I was doing anatomy tutorials, so I drew out what the person was doing. Here's more. Oh my god! I didn't know I did so much. It's been a while. But yeah, so Moo has all of this. And yeah, that's an ice cream tea, I guess. Whoa. This was, I think my friends were like really obsessed with the Riverdale. So I drew, there's this character they told me about that named Betty and Jughead. So I drew their imaginary, like, kid. I don't know. I'm not super knowledgeable about it, so you know. Yeah. She has roller skates. I like that. Yeah. And this one, I forget what all of this was about, so I'm just like, yeah, roller skate girl. Ooh, this one I redrew really recently. I want to show. Quickly, Choco, quickly. Where is it? Is it not in here? Oh, there it is. So I redrew her. And for this one I used a reference of just a mermaid, and I added a cat squid, and I think I made the cat squid better. So yeah. This one makes me happy. This is Hippie Girl, another kind of OC. I don't have a backstory. Her name is literally Hippie Girl. But I've tried to draw her a few times. This was just a nurse thing, just experimenting. This one I drew outside. It was like one of the first days of like warm weather, so I was like, yeah, April 6th. So I was like, yay, spring! And here we have another one. I think I drew this one outside too. She's like all sassy and like, I'm gonna go garden and you can't stop me. Here was another like happy cat character. I think this is the first time I did darker skin tone. Really? Yeah, I'm really proud of myself for experimenting. I think this was a day that I was like, yay, spring, I'm gonna draw everything and how it makes me feel. And yeah. This was, so I got Posca pens. And this was when I drew it with them for, I think, the first time. And I did a Casey Golden 500 prompts called Swamp Creature. Yikes. Here we have just like a person floating in a pose. Ooh, and here's another OC. Like, there's so many OCs. I don't really do OCs anymore. Well, I'm working on one right now, so I can't really say that. But yeah, I don't know, I don't name them and stuff. But this is Overall Girl. Yeah. So, next. Oh, this one was from my first video. So I drew this Bray girl. I'm like, yeah, she's French. This was for a video I never posted. So, with the whole black hole thing and how they got a picture of it, I wanted to draw a character based off it. But by the time I posted it, well, I was gonna post it, it was like really long after, and I was like, meh. So yeah, here I was experimenting for just like ideas. And my Easter video. Yeah, this one was really fun. I liked it. Ooh, so there's this artist on Instagram named Nillopop, or Nillopay, I don't know how to say it, but I redrew some of her art. I can't really pick it up because flowers will go everywhere, but yeah, I redrew some of it, and it was really fun. I love her style. Here's more of that. I haven't done a big sketchbook spread in a while, probably because I have a spiral bound book now. Yeah. I did some isometric rims, which I was inspired by Casey Golden to do. Did an outfit of the day, and my shirt said, "It's bananas." Yeah. Oh, here's some, so Ohuhu did this, like, challenge thing where if you drew on some eggs and posted it, you could, like, you would win 20% off, or you And comment like what I should draw next, because I like doing like requests for you guys. I think it's really fun. I improved a lot in this sketchbook, I think, from my first drawing to my last drawing. Let's just have a look. My last original drawing. Yeah, so this one, well, not really original, but like not an art tree. I think there's some improvement there. Yeah, so I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you all on Tuesday with a Hoo-Hoo marker, brush marker review. Yeah. Bye!